How to draw a weeping willow tree, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by making a long curvy line going up and down by using a lot of small, hook-like shapes. Right beneath and connected to this, we'll draw the base of our tree. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload every single day, so if you're looking for a new spot to watch step-by-step drawing tutorials, then you're in the right place. Next, right below what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the base of our tree. For the first step, we're going to draw two curvy lines. The first curvy line will not be connected, but the second one will be. Now to close off that space on the bottom and connect those two curvy lines that we just drew, we're going to draw three small tree roots. And like always, at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, so that way you can pause the video and match your colors if you would like to. Now once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to connect the tree base to what we previously drew right above. We're going to go ahead and break our tree off into two different pieces. Now that we have our base made, we're going to move above everything that we just drew, and we're going to begin to draw the top of our tree. We're going to begin by drawing two curvy lines that look similar to the shape of a cloud. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then make sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can also learn how to draw a weeping willow. That will also help us continue to grow our YouTube channel together. Now we're going to hop down and extend the bottom out just a little bit further. The reason we're going back and forth is to make sure that one side doesn't go out too much farther than the other. Ultimately, we're going to connect the top and bottom together towards the right side of the page. Nice! Now we're going to move down below and we're going to begin to draw the bottom piece and connect it to what we just drew right above. Fantastic! Now we're halfway done with the top piece. Let's move over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right side. So later on, we're going to add in some detail in the top and base of our tree. If you want to, you can wait until you color, so that way the Sharpie doesn't smear. On this side, you probably noticed they're not going back and forth as much. That's just because we're going to be working our way down on this side because we're not going to have as many big droops. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. Nice! We're almost finished. Now we're going to draw a circle around the bottom base of our tree to help represent grass. Nice! Now we're going to add some detail, so if you want to pause the video here and color first, then you can do so. If not, let's go ahead and add in our detail together. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing turned out great. And don't forget that next I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. And if you'd like to help continue to grow our YouTube channel, then be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends so that we can continue to grow a community together. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.